that I bought for 10K 2 years ago, probably about 4 years ago or so, 4 or 5 years ago. So I did owner financing with a friend of mine. I sold it to him for 50K. We spent some money fixing it. He pays me 5% interest, and I did it for 30 years. Did a 30-year loan with him. He's a friend of mine. Okay? He pays me $275 a month. He doesn't want to get rid of it. You know, the property's worth probably 130K now. Okay? But could you make some money there? Yeah. You could. 2 hours drive, a 4-hour drive from Needles, okay? 2 hours to Barstow. Victorville, hour-and-a-half drive. That's all it is, knowing where to go.